off to Yazd. Well, after 4 to 5 hours of bus from Isfahan to here, Yazd, we finally arrived. Yazd is like this little oasis in the middle of the desert. It's really beautiful and has all these very old buildings going on. We're in the middle of the old city, I think. Yazd has this feeling of a very old town, like the type of towns you can find in the movie The Messenger, Risala, the movie about the history of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You can find the same houses, type of house you can find in Isfahan. I don't know how to call them in English, but this is what I'm talking about. But you can feel it. It's made out of, I don't know, I hope it's not made of cow shit. This. You see, this type of buildings, you have the same in the old town of Dubai. Like they have one building in Dubai and they treat it like this big monument. Well, this whole place is filled with it. And then you have the more recent town, I think, to say the least. I think it's maybe some Shia du'as or something like this, because I can hear Hussein. I thought it was a mosque, but there are cars inside. That's not a mosque. There. Oh. You know the city beforehand. I just like I googled like which city should I visit, and there was this Yazd city near Isfahan, near for me on the map. It looked near. It's 4-hour drive, but I said, yeah, let's go before, because I'm going to Shiraz next. And I thought I would say, I will stay like 1 night, but you will see the hotel later. I'm staying 2 nights. It's really nice. And tomorrow we're going to the desert, so incredible. But first impressions. A beautiful street where you have this clock here with a light, and then all the way there another thing with lights. We're going to purple light. It's like a bit of a bazaar, but small one. It's a calm city, I think. This one had more people. I like calm cities, to be honest. I think it's the mosque. I think it's a famous mosque. I don't remember the name of it, but this, like, there's plenty of them. It's pretty nice. There's, well, their police have Mercedes. It's better than ours. That's better than the police in Tunisia. We don't have Mercedes in Tunisia. All except like corrupt politicians, they all have Mercedeses. Oh, have Beamers now, but whatever. There's this big light in the middle. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Well, you have to say that in Iran, blue is the color, not in football. Nice little bench. When you think about the atrocities we have in Europe with benches with like pikes and stuff to make it impossible, and then you have it's little also. It's hard to sleep on it, but it's beautiful, I think. But I think they're handing us free stuff. There is some kind of celebration because the song says Hubb al-Hussein, which means the love of Hussein. Hussein is a martyr in the Shia, or in Islam in general, but more in Shia origin. Nightlife, you know? Oh, stop. What is this? What is this? What is this? Yeah.
What is this?
What is this, your friend? Celebration. Hussein? Hub al-Hussein. El-Hussein? Give. You give out, yes?
اعتذارك وفاء. Happy birthday.
Ah, happy birthday. Okay, well, happy birthday. Oh, merci. Merci. Manchunzi ast. Tunis. Manchunzi ast. Esmam Rami ast. Rami.
اسم انا غيرفه.
بس كده. Merci. خدا حافظ. خدا حافظ. Okay. I think it's some kind of birthday, but whose birthday? I don't know. I thought it was like some Shia celebration. I don't know. Maybe it's the birthday of. I don't know. I don't know. I got fruit juice, so in the end I won anyway. I'm very happy. I like free stuff. It always has like this special taste. Free taste. All right, let's cross and see the hotel. Salam. This is inside. It looks good. Salam. Sit inside. There is always the chua, mayonnaise. Salam. They gave me free juice on the street. They're celebrating. It's today. What's the celebration?
The birthday.
Yeah, Hub al-Hussein. Yeah, they were singing and they gave me free juice. I'm very happy. Free juice. The life of a prince. Look at this view. I'm loving it. Friendly. It's called Friendly Hotel. And to finish, this is the dorm with my bed. Bit of a mess. Enough of first impressions.